How to add file source on Kodi. If you're using Kodi to stream and organize your media, you may need to add new file sources to access your favorite content. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a file source on Kodi. This will help you access new repositories, media files, or custom content. So let's get started. First, open your Kodi app, whether you're on your computer, Android device, or smart TV. Just make sure Kodi is up and running. Once Kodi is open, go to the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down and select File Manager. This is where you'll manage your sources and file paths in Kodi. Now in File Manager, you'll see an option to add source. Go ahead and click on that. Next, a window will pop up where you need to enter the file source. This could be a repository URL or a local file path. Simply type it in and click on OK. After entering the file source, simply tap on Add File Source. After entering the URL, Kodi will ask you to name the source. You can name it whatever you like. Now that the file source is added, you can go back to the main menu by clicking the back button or selecting cancel, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added a new file source on Kodi.